Hey Mark, are you ready for our trip today?
Yes, I'm so excited. It's been a long time since I've traveled.
Same here. Do you have your passport and boarding pass?
Oh, wait, boarding pass? I think I left it in my bag. Let me check.
Don't worry. You can also show it on your phone.
Oh, that's right. Technology saves the day.
Exactly. Okay, let's go to the check-in counter.
Hi, I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
Sure. Can I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage?
Yes, one suitcase.
Perfect. Here's your boarding pass. Have a good flight.
Thank you.
That was easy, right?
Yes, all I had to do was say, I'd like to check in for my flight.
Exactly. That's a very useful phrase when you travel. Wow, this hotel looks really nice.
Yes, I hope the rooms are comfortable. Let's check in. Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Mark Smith.
Welcome. May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Your room number is 305.
Great. What time is breakfast?
From 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
That was quick, right?
Yes, and easy. I have a reservation. That's all you need.
Perfect. You can use that phrase anywhere, not just in hotels.
Good morning. Where are you going?
To the airport, please.
Sure, it's about 30 minutes.
Is traffic heavy today?
A little, but don't worry, we'll be on time.
Great, thanks. Is traffic heavy? That's a good phrase to know.
Yes, it's useful when you take a taxi or when you're late for something.
So, what did we learn today?
Check in. I have a reservation. And is traffic heavy?
Perfect. 3 useful travel phrases.
Thanks for the listen, Anna.
You're welcome, Mark.
And thanks everyone for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.